Hey everyone! Want to make your Word document stand out and explore some free alternatives to Microsoft Office? Well, I'm going to show you all of these things today in this video. Let's jump right in. First, let's personalize your documents by adding new fonts. You find a font you like from a trusted website. Then, right-click the downloaded font file. Select Install to add it to your system. Now your documents have a fresh look with custom fonts. Now let's explore 3 free alternatives to Microsoft Office. LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a powerful open source suite compatible with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. It is great for offline use and it is privacy focused. WPS Office. WPS Office is a lightweight suite with a familiar interface, offers cloud storage, and supports multiple file formats. Lastly, there is Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a cloud-based suite including Docs, Sheets, and Slides. It is ideal for collaboration and it's accessible from any device. Each of these alternatives offer unique features to suit your needs. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to add new fonts to Microsoft Word and discovered 3 free alternatives to Microsoft Office. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you next time.